Cucumbers are a fairly easy plant to grow, but there's one innocent mistake that I was making for years after I started gardening, and I was unknowingly killing my plants early and significantly reducing my yields. I'm going to share that mistake with you in this video, along with a few other growing tips. The big mistake that I made for so many years was letting my cucumbers get too ripe on the vine. As soon as your cucumber starts to yellow like this one, you've gone a little bit too far. So ideally you'd want to pick before any yellowing occurs. For most varieties, that's between 5 and 6 inches. The plant's main goal is to produce mature seeds so it can pass its genes on to the next year. So once it thinks it has a few large cucumbers and it's accomplished that job, the majority of its energy will go into further maturing those seeds, and it'll put in for retirement and start to die off. So our goal is to pick these cucumbers small and frequently, encouraging more baby cucumber production and lengthening the life of the plant. But if you grow cucumbers long enough, eventually one's gonna escape you and you're gonna find that giant yellow one as big as a zucchini hidden somewhere in the vines. That's why I like to either grow my cucumbers vertically or let them hang like they are in this aquaponics garden here. It makes it easy to sort through the vines and find all of the ones before they're too ripe. But if you do find your plants frequently dying because you're missing those giant yellow ones, practice succession planting and have some young healthy plants ready to replace the dying ones. You'll also want to prune out any dead, dying, or diseased leaves. This will not only help you spot cucumbers, but it'll make for a healthier plant. More airflow equals less fungal disease. And if you happen to get powdery mildew on the leaves of your cucumbers, which is a very common problem, a good home remedy is 1/3 milk to 2/3 water, and just spray them down. If you're growing a variety of cucumber that requires pollination and has male and female flowers, try turning the flowers out so that the bees and all the pollinators can see them more easily. These flowers are yellow for a reason. They're meant to be a big target. So if you follow the 3 rules, keeping your cucumbers well picked, pruned, and pollinated, and have fertile soil and frequent watering and nighttime temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you should easily be able to 3x your cucumber yields.